The dragon hunter took your horn. You poor dragon. We need to replace it. Nope. Too furry. Nah.
Have at thee, dragon. I shall be the one to finally... What is that on your horn?
It's called accessorizing.
Elder the witch gave me a cat to keep as a pet.
Oh, he's so cute.
I'm free! I'm free!
My kitty. So, how's your month been?
Terrible. You wouldn't believe what I've had to deal with.
You should go see the wizard. He helped solve a nice issue I had.
That sounds great. I think I'll do that.
But that's also the reason I can't grow hair on top of my head anymore.